Are you looking for a simple, healthy, kid-friendly and a super easy cookie recipe that will whip up in less than 20 minutes? This is just the recipe for you, and this is my oatmeal, raisin or chocolate cookies. So to make this super simple cookie, even the kids can make them themselves. You wanna start with a large mixing bowl and you wanna add in either some margarine or butter, some sugar, and just want to gently give that a really good mix with a whisk. For this recipe, you do not need to whip it up for very long, unlike any other recipe that would require a hand or a stand mixer. This just needs a whisk, a bowl, and the ingredients that you're gonna need for this recipe. Add in one large egg, and then just give that a really good mix until it's all fully incorporated. Once your egg is nice and incorporated, we're gonna add in now our dry ingredients. And for our dry ingredients, we have some all-purpose flour, some rolled oats, some baking soda, and some cinnamon. Give that a really good mix and just gently fold that in until everything is almost all fully incorporated. And once everything is almost all fully incorporated, we're gonna add in our add-ins or toppings. And in this case, I decided to do a combination of chocolate chips and raisins, and you could do any that you'd like, or you could just leave it plain, but trust me, the little extra chocolate does go a long way. Fold it in gently. Here I ended up using dark chocolate. You could use milk chocolate, or just raisins, whichever you choose, whichever your kids prefer. Fold that in gently, and then you can now set that aside and get a large baking tray. Make sure your baking tray is nice and greased with either margarine or oil, and then you wanna just take an ice cream scoop and scoop it onto your large baking tray. Dip your ice cream scoop in some water and then just spread out the cookie gently, just to help it spread out evenly in the oven, so you have some nice and even looking cookies. And make sure you do spread them apart. Bake at 180 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, just till they're super nice and golden brown on the edges and they're nice and chewy on the inside. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do give this recipe a try and I'll sure you'll love it. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys next Monday for yet another amazing recipe.